What's going on, guys? Me again. We are here at a little fishing spot. I just got done with work, and while I was driving home I saw this. So we're gonna give it a few casts, see if we can hook in anything. If not, whatever, but if we do, then I'm happy. Let's go and do some casting. Nice. Ow. Ugh, you got me. I'm fine. Look at this little guy. I didn't even know if I had him at first. He's so small. We'll go give him a proper release. Even though he made me bleed, that's fine. But man, he got me good with that hook. Look at that. Could have been worse though. Whatever. And that, you guys, is why you always want to carry a pair of some sort of pliers. So we got that one little baby fish, but I'll take it. Like I said in my last video, one fish is better than none fish. So we are gonna head off to the next spot. I've been casting here for a little while and just got that one little bite, so we're gonna head to the next spot and see what we can hook into. I'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? It is the next day. It's actually the next morning because I decided to go home and I went to sleep early because I was super tired. Anyways, we've got a little bit of surprise. We are gonna be heading back to the pond and we're gonna go and bug almost on my eye. Anyways, we're gonna go target some largemouth bass and we're probably gonna be throwing around the frog a little bit. So we're gonna get some top water action in today. I'll see you guys there. Just pulled up here at the pond. This is my favorite place to fish for bass. You guys have already seen this pond a couple times in my previous videos, but there's some really big fish in here. So let's go find them. I don't know how big my biggest here was. I didn't have a scale at the time, but it was, I believe, 24 inches. It was fat. I'll pop a picture up on the screen. Like, there's nothing like a frog bite. And we're just floating. I have not put the anchor out, just kind of floating along, seeing where the wind takes us. And if we don't get any more bites soon with the frog, I'll probably be switching over to a Senko, just because you can never go wrong with the floating worm. Oh, you had it. I don't know if he's still here. Donkeys. I don't want my frog sitting out there. See, now I am second guessing throwing the floating worm. They love Senkos here. Like, I get paid big money for doing this. If anybody ever wants a romantic dinner on a gondola with their significant other, hit me up. Yay. Holy moly. If there's any bass in the area, they're gone now. Holy snap, what did I just do? Okay. I don't know what happened to my worm, but that's what happened. There we go. Feels like a good one. Not bad. Ooh, it's drag. It's not small. That is a nice bass right there. All right. Look at that. That is a good fish. Just shy of 3 pounds. I am happy with that. So now let's give him a nice release. My GoPro batteries were getting pretty low, so I had to head out from the pond, but we got that one nice bass, and we are now here at home in a new shirt. The AC just kicked on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. It helps the channel out greatly, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.